See, this is quite big. This is
Right guys, Joe and Go here, back again. This week we're in Scotland. We're going to do a 4-day hike. So Owen's that confident in his boots, he's decided to try and walk through what looks to be quite a boggy, a boggy area just to show off. As you can see, it is very low cloud cover today. A lot of fog and a lot of mist. Quick update guys, a couple of miles in now. I'm absolutely sweating. I mean the air's so humid already, but I was just sweating under my little rain jacket, so I had to take it off. Just look at the views. Even with the clouds as low as they are, this forest is just stunning. And we're not even into the proper thick of it yet.
Whoa. Very slippy.
It's finally looking like we're going to actually enter into the proper forest now. It's just been through like trimmed sections of forest so far. Very, very boggy and wet. I'm hoping it dries up in the actual trees, but we'll have to see. Just look how stunning this forest is. Finally starting to head uphill, but look at the size of them upturn roots.
Go!
I can see more tree tops just peeking over this little ridge here in front of me. Can't wait to see that view. So we're heading back up now. Went a long way out of our way because there was no like easy way to get up to this path. Just about 3/4 of the way to camp. It's absolutely gorgeous around here. Not far from camp tonight. It's just on the top of this hill here, in like the sort of horseshoe of the mountain surrounding that. What a gorgeous view guys. We're nearly there at the lock that we're going to camp at tonight. I can't wait to set up my tent and just relax for the evening. Look at that guys, look at that view. It's still misty like, but we haven't had any rain. I'm just in my t-shirt, no waterproof layer on at the moment, and temperature's not even that cold either. It's quite a nice temperature. Just got to the lock now. It's been hidden behind this grass bank, so getting the first eyes on it. This is fantastic. tent all pitched, and look at that sky. It is just gorgeous. That's kind of the brightness that we're at right now. This is such a beautiful place. Just sat here, just enjoying the view for a minute while I have a quick rest before I get my tea on. I'm absolutely shattered on no sleep. So tonight we've got some Uncle Ben's egg fried rice. I'm not the nicest to know. But the rest, with a bit of spam I had for lunch. And then I have a satay sauce that I'm going to mix in with it all, so it should be tasty. Good morning. Oh, slept so well last night. Don't really want to get up. I'm still fairly tired, and I'm so cosy and warm in the bag. But we've got a long day ahead, so need to get up, pack away while it's not raining, I guess. Yeah, unfortunately it is very cloudy and misty this morning, and we're heading up that mountain that is just covered in it, so we are going to get soaked today, I think. You just hiked along this shoreline back to the path. There's no paths around this loch. This is where the road / path ends, just here, and then the rest of it's just natural, untouched. I had a bit of trouble last night getting a good spot, but I had a really good sleep when I found a spot. So anyway, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Just walking through the forest now, and it's a really fine mist. It's just like soaking through everything. Completely different from yesterday, unfortunately. Just starting to head up now. Just getting near to sort of like the ridge line of this mountain. That's a lot more like gradually going up from here on, I think, because it was pretty steep climb. The visibility is so bad. Even in this poor visibility, this landscape's just beautiful. Just at the summit of Michael Millier. You can't see a blooming thing. I've just come down from Michael Millier. I'm just on the summit of Little Millier now. It's like 4:05. We're still up on the mountain. Goes dark pretty soon, so we need to really get our move on now. Finally starting to head down from the mountain. There's supposed to be a path here, but I invite anyone to come and tell me where, because it's nowhere. We're just going through this such uneven, boggy terrain. We'll be joining up with that road down there, and we're probably just going to pitch tent there rather than Loch D tonight, because it'll be dark by the time we get down there, I think. Right guys, we finally made it down to the road path, and I've never been so happy to see a proper road in all my life after coming down there. That was one of the most brutal things I've ever done. Oh, right, probably won't hear from me until I get to camp. It's just getting on. Now the camera's picking this up. We've just got to where we're going to camp. And it's a sand beach. So I didn't get any content last night. It was about 8 in the morning. Just as soon as we got to camp, cooked some food and then went to bed. So it's pretty dark when we got here. Just got a little hot chockey on the go.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, this has done me well, this coat. Like, I wish I could have got a few more trips out of it. It's the last thing I expected to.
Submerged past knee height already. We've only just set off. Just heading up out from where we camped at Loch D. It's absolutely stunning, this place. Just surrounded by miles and miles of like this gorgeous forest. It's so much more compared to the lakes. I feel like the lakes are a lot more barren compared to at least this part of Scotland. At the tip of Loch D now. You can just see where we camped. Just on that beach behind them trees there. Just come across this big boulder with like, I don't know, are they Norse? Celtic runes carved in. If anyone knows, hit it up in the comments. Just following this forestry road. I'll take us all the way to Loch Trool. But we're going to camp tonight. It's not a big distance today, but we're all pretty shattered from yesterday, so it's a bit more forgiving as well, this kind of path compared to what we was on yesterday. Stunning waterfall, guys.
The tree plantation again.
Just having a bit of lunch, already had some noodles, just getting a hot chockey on the go now. From Loch Trool now. It's just up this path up here. Just about to get the first proper view of Loch Trool. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be something special, this. Wow. That's insane.
Don't stand on the wood. Hey Dan, don't stand on the curved wood. Fucking slippy as.
Just coming up to like the little spot we're thinking of trying to make camp at. But so far it's not looking too promising, to be honest.
Hey, it's actually working, you know.
Just cooking up a bit of pasta. Just letting it cool off there. Good morning. It's about 7:10. I'm just getting packed away. We've got quite a big hike today. My boots are absolutely sopping wet. I've just tried to dry them out over the stove a little bit. I mean, I had my socks in my bag last night and they They were still soaking wet this morning. I even tried drying them, but they're still wet. So yeah, it's going to be an uncomfortable hike back, I think, but what can you do? It's the last day today, so just power through it and get home. Yeah, it's a gorgeous view from my tent. We're all finished, packed away. It's been a boss little spot on Loch Truel. One to come back to, I think.
Very good, very nice.
Dan's just finished packing his bag. And then we've got like a 15-mile odd trek back to the car today. So,
which is projected to take how long, Jeff?
Well, going off our average speed yesterday, because we took it easy, it would take us like 23 hours. But we're on good paths all day today, and
just like yesterday.
And it's no further than we did on the first day, so it's going to be a long day for sure, but we'll get there. Just walking back up to Loch D. Loch Truel's just round behind this tree line here. Just coming up to Loch D now. Oh, those two Speedy Gonzales have left me right in the dust. Looks like there's a bit of rain coming as well, which is a bit unfortunate because I am absolutely sweating. And I'm just down to my t-shirt. D there behind me. It's so peaceful around here. It's just like, I think the whole 4 days we've seen 4 people, and it was all yesterday. We've seen a cyclist and 2 hikers, day hikers. But for the rest of the trip, not seen a soul. The only signs of life we've seen was a little gummy worm someone had dropped on the floor. Just stopped at Loch D, just up the path from where we camped. Just have a little chocky bar and filter some of my water. Yeah, my feet are absolutely sopping wet. It is getting to me. We're about halfway back to the car now, so, and it's like, it's 10:30, so with a bit of luck we can be back to the car for about 2. But yeah, I just need a bit of energy. Need to give my feet a quick rest. That's where we came down the other night from Little Millier, and as you can see, that terrain is just not forgiving at all. Supposedly there was a path there. It's about 12:15. Only about 6.5 kilometres away from the car. Done a good march today. I've done 14 so far. But my leg is absolutely on fire right now. Just this area here, like the inner thigh, and my feet. My feet feel like they're just peeling themselves down to the bone. So I'm just having a little rest. Let's see how I get on. I haven't got too far left now. Just on the home stretch now, down this road, back to the car. I am absolutely goosed. I can't wait to get these boots off.